blueberry pancakes. I don't know how we're gonna top those right here, but we have a peach cobbler beignet. It is loaded up with so much peach, so much whipped cream, some nice crumbles of, it looks like maybe some vanilla wafers on top right here too. Let's go ahead and rip this thing open. Whoa. We're going in for our very first bite of this thing. It is warm, it's piping hot in my hands right now. It's just dripping with that peach syrup, peach cobbler juice right there. Oh man, I think I made it to the fair. The fair is not here in SoCal yet, but I think I've made it there. We've jumped into the future, into a fair. I've just completely transported out of here. I am no longer in the desert. I am at the circus right now, enjoying some peach cobbler. It's like I'm back in the South. I'm from South Carolina, and this matches all the peach cobbler that we have out there, but we don't have beignets. Beignets are definitely a part of this SoCal life, and it is living up to its true standard and potential right here. This is an amazing, amazing dessert, snack, lunch, breakfast, dinner. We can have it all here. This thing is amazing, wicked, wicked amazing. Oh, that is so good. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly food videos. Peace.